Hello guys and welcome to another Fusion CNC programming tutorial video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do CNC programming tutorial videos for home Mac and Wiki CNC machines using Autodesk Fusion. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create um, different programs by just using one setup, okay? You don't have to have multiple setups for each piece, meaning that every single piece has a different size. All right, so I'm going to show you. You see, I have this one right here. I have this for both machines at work. I have the CMS flat table and I have the wiki pattern rail. See that? And you see here, um, it says this is just one program. Okay, I got multiple ones here. See, I can scroll all the way down. So I got different floors, different like locations and stuff. But they're different sizes. But the machining is the same tooling. All right. So if I go, let me go to the last one. I think it's the biggest one. It's the apartment 9E BT for bottom. So just oak stair treads. See how it got longer. All right. See, and all you have to do is just select, the setup, and I can right click and generate a toolpath, or um, the shortcut key, right? See, it's Control G to generate, and bam, and that's it. And then you post process that program, right? That's what the CMS can do that for the wiki as well. Regenerate, see that? So how did I do this? So I'm gonna show you. Um, this is you gotta have the pay version of Fusion. I don't think this works. I don't think this works with the with the free version. All right, so let's go to design workspace and you gotta use this feature right here. You gotta create a configuration table, and this is how you do it. But before that, you gotta have parameters. All right. So you see, I have it here. I can change. I'm gonna go back to the first one. It goes back to that. See it? It's parametric. So if I go to FX, see icon here. This is where you enter the parameters. All right. See, I got everything here. If you see the check mark next to that, to the names, that means they're being configured for the configuration table. All right. See, that can change the thickness of the packet. I can change, see that I got the thickness, the width. I can change everything here. Um, I can change the thickness. I can change the border, the one like 2.5 inch all the way around. Um, and see all the models, model parameters. So you got to create parameters first, right? When creating a new sketch, and then if I go to first sketch, right click, edit sketch. See, you see the FX next to the to the numbers. That means I have a parameter here. All right, so FX, so it's width. I got depth. All right, so I'm gonna click on finish sketch. So once you have that, you can just go to let me see if I can delete this. Right click. Um, let's see if I can delete. If I go, let me click on display configuration table. I want to see I got different sizes here. All right, so you see different names. So it's gonna be different programs. You see different width, different depths. All right, the thickness remains the same as well as the border. All right, so I can stretch this out. All right, so this is what you have to do. All right, like that. But let me see if I can. I'm gonna add another one. Let me see, so you can see how I did it. But just to create a configuration table, just click on display configuration table, and then just go to see this icon here, add parameters. Just go to FX, click OK, and this is where you see. This is where you check each box um, for each parameter to be used. All right, see, I have everything checked. This is how you do it. All right, guys. You can also add new parameters if you want. Just click on this plus sign up here. Add user parameter. All right. So click OK. This is how you do it. Once you do that, you just start. Let me see. I'm gonna go to the last one. You could just, let's say this is the first one, right, that you created, and you have the width and the depth and everything else. can right click and you can duplicate and just go from there. And you can right click rename. Okay, you can rename. Um, you can say apartment. Let's call these 9F, and let's make this BT like bottom tread, and then here you change this. You change the width and the depth. So I'll make this longer. So let's make this 110 inches. So 110. Oops, space. Okay, 110. But nothing changed because I didn't activate it. So actually it did. So I have to select. You see, you have the blue blue line right here. That means it's activated, right? So it changed to that width to 110 inches. Let's make this like a little deeper, like 15 inches. So I'm gonna type 15. I'm gonna hit enter. See what happens. This is how you do it. All right. So I can go to the previous one, select the first one. I can double left click on it to activate that, and the one above it, and the one above it. See, double left click on it. That's how you activate um, each component. All right. This is how you do it. It's very easy, guys. And then you change the names. It's really cool. This is cool, because you do multiple parts that have the same machining operations, but just multiple parts with different sizes, right? This is really great. So I don't need to have like, let's say I have like 20 different sizes here, different names, different components. I don't need to have different. I don't need to have 20 different setups in a manufacturer workspace, right? I want I want that to be clean. I just want one setup, or maybe two setups for two different machines, or three setups for three different machines, right? So this is great. This is how you do it, right? See, it's getting smaller and smaller because different locations, different sizes. I'm double left clicking on each piece, on each component. I can go to the next one. I can right click and activate. You can do that too, like that. See, so I can just so close it. See, that's how you do it. I think I have another sample I want to show you. Let's go to manufacturer workspace. So I'm gonna have to regenerate a toolpath. I can just select CMS CNC and hold down Shift key on my keyboard, select Wiki CNC, right click, generate. So I can generate multiple machines uh, by selecting all of them, you know, and select generate toolpath. So it's really great. See, so I can have, in my case, I can have two setups for two different CNC machines, but I don't need multiple setups per machine, right? I can just go here, see it. I go to the last one that I created, apartment 9F bottom. See, it's gonna see it gets longer to 110 inches. So again, I can just select CMS, CNC, hold down Shift key on my keyboard, select Wiki CNC, and right click, generate, or Control G shortcut. Control G. Let me do it again. Yeah. Select CMS CNC, hold down Shift, Wiki CNC, Control G, and bam, done. Just like that. Very simple. And you can just start posting each component for your CNC. Let me see. Let me see if I let me go to home. I have a one example I want to show you. Let me see if I can find. I don't know where I put it. I think it was configuration table test. I think that's what enter. See if I can find test. Hmm. I think it's under CNC projects. I think it's under. If I go down to test programs, let me see if I have it here. No. Tutorials. Oh, right here. Configuration test. So somehow Fusion wasn't able to find it. Maybe I misspelled it. Cool. So let me show you this one. Watch. This is like a box. There's a part for a box for a coworker was working on a job, so I think I did this on a wiki. Um, Let me go to see. I have a configuration table set up. See, click on that. See, I have more parameters. See, I have divided thickness. I got four equal spaces. I can change the spacing. See, I have a divided to width value. Everything is in the parameters box. Everything's here. See, and this is really great. So I'm gonna show you what I mean. Let me go to manufacturer workspace. See, I have the base. See, I got four equal spaces, and see, I have this divider that goes into this long groove here. So it's gonna have three notches, right? For these dividers to go into, right? This little guy right here. So um, see, I have configuration one. Let me see if I can. Only have one configuration. Let's go back to design workspace. So I can just do it here. Watch. Let me select display configuration table, and let's say I want five equal spaces. So I'm gonna type five, enter. See what happens. I get five equal spaces here. This happens to be like a bottom panel. I think that's what it was. A bottom panel. The base is so it's the base. You see, I got four notches here. The lone divider. See that? I can do say 10. See what happens. 10. Look at the spacing. Really small, but they're all equal. You get equal spacing, and you're gonna have nine notches here. All right, it is really cool. All right, so just in case he comes back and he says, "Oh hey I don't want four equal spaces. I want five. The customer wants five now. The drawing got updated. They want five equal spaces instead of four. So just type five, and that's it. And then you go to manufacturer workspace, and then you have to regenerate toolpath. See, for base, for the divider, and the big divider is divider two, the small one. So I can select all three setups. So see, I have base. Select it, hold down Shift key on my keyboard. Select the last one. Right, right click, generate, and there you have it. See, this was this program for the wiki. Because how do I know? Because it's tool one, CT1. The machine doesn't have a tool changer, so I know that for sure. See, and see how see I'm using a pattern. I'm using the pattern feature uh, to pattern the toolpath here. That this is how I was able to do it, right? See the divider. See, see the divider that this goes on top of this piece right here. Let's say I want to make this divided like taller. If I select this edge, this one is 10 inches in height. See at the bottom on the bottom right corner of my screen, it's 10 inches. See my arrow moving. So it's 10 inches. I'm gonna make this, let's say, 12 inches. And that's gonna change. I think this one's gonna change as well. So let's go back to the design workspace. Let's go select display configuration table. Let me see right here. So I have it as divider one depth, so I can go to 10, 12 inches. Type 12, hit enter. See, both get updated because it's the same height. You see that? See, and this is if I still have this edge selected, this is 7 inches in height. See my bottom right corner of my screen, see the arrow moving, 7 inches. So um, yeah, I think this is 12 inches. Um, it's 7 inches because um, I think yeah, it's supposed to be 7 inches. This one and this one, this notches right here. Okay, so but you see how the height got bigger on both dividers. So I can go back to let me see, go back to 10 inches. Let's do what? Let's do 9 inches. Hit enter. There you have it. Okay. Okay. Let's say I want the base depth to be. Let me see. Right is set to 20 inches. Let me just type half of that. So it's gonna. Oops. Wow, it's going on 10 inches. There you have it. Okay. See how this one got smaller too, this little guy right here. So let's go back to 20. You'll see 20. See, because this is like um. So going in X is actually the depth. That's the depth. This depth is the same as that, right? See, so this is gonna be, see, 20 inches. See, I have the edge selected, 20 inches, where it says length, bottom right corner of my screen, right? And this is 20 inches, so it matches. I can make this deeper. Let's make this, let's say 40. Enter. See that? But you see that groove in the middle it stays right in the center. It doesn't move. It doesn't move at all. And this is gonna be 12, 20 inches. Okay. Let's go back to 20. What if I change the width of the base? Is the width of this gonna change as well? Well, let's see. See, I have this 46 inches, but they say they want three equal spaces, right? Like three. See that? Base width 46. So let's make this half of that, 23 inches, and there you have it. So see, the width of this divider is equal to the width of the base panel, right? So this is all in parameters right here. So you have to create parameters before you start playing around with the configuration table. And I showed you before how to add parameters here. Just click on this FX icon here to add parameters, right? Click OK, and it's gonna take you to that parameters. See, the all parameters that I'm using, they're all checked. It's really great. Yeah, if you just like to write, you can type a comment here if you want, but I can't do it here. I can't. It's grayed out. I cannot make changes here. So for me to make changes, I gotta go to the parameters window right here. But I'm gonna have to uncheck everything that I have checked. So, and this is how you do it, guys. All right. It's just a quick video on me showing you how to use configuration tables for different, like parametric CNC programming. I program different part sizes and for multiple machines. Let's go back to the first one. See, I have the last one selected. This feature is really awesome. I mean, I was looking for this feature for a very long time. For programming different programs, different parts with different sizes, instead of having multiple setups here. It just, I don't like it. It looks kind of messy. It kind of slows down your computer too if your computer is not that powerful. So the more components you have, more setups you have, the slower your computer is gonna get if it's a low end computer, right? So if you have a low end computer, this is great right here. This feature is really great. You don't have to have multiple setups to program different part sizes. Again, I know I'm repeating this like 100 times, but I'm really excited. I'm showing you guys this feature in this video. All right, guys. So that's all I wanted to show in this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God bless you all. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.